Right, I need to tell you something.
What's that?
So, we're kind of coming into the end of the summer. It doesn't feel like it because we've had great weather, yeah? Which means only one thing.
We're going back indoors.
Yeah, we'll be racing indoors again, but I'm going on holiday next week.
Right.
And when I come back, it's going to be my birthday. Oh. Now, I'm a bit worried because I'm going to be 50.
50?
Now, I said to the missus, I said...
50?
Yeah, the big 50, half of 100. I said to her, I needed to have a midlife crisis. And she said, what do you mean you need to have one? Because everyone has one, don't they?
I think so.
Well, if I die at 100, that means...
You're at your midlife now.
I'm at my midlife. Now, I ain't interested in womanising and things like that, yeah?
No.
Because one is enough.
Tell me about
So,
it.
forget that. Sports cars and that, I ain't really interested. Do you know why?
Why?
Because the motor I've got now,
Yeah.
is a VW Tiguan thing. Nice. Well, it was.
Lovely.
But every little dent in it is because of someone else. I haven't dented it, so you go out and people open the door and they dent it, and I haven't done it. So I don't want to get a nice motor because what's the point? People are going to dent it.
Right.
I know that's a bad way of looking at it, so I don't want that. So I feel like I need to get myself a new RC car. Now, in the previous video, I did mention that I would like to get a Schumacher Cat 2000 because I've seen him on the track. I've seen him indoors, and I've seen him on Astro, and I've seen him on grass, and they're brilliant.
I've got one. I've got the Cat 2000 EC. It's a lovely car, it is.
I know you've
Tinkerbell did it up for me. Beautiful, beautiful thing. Yeah. So did you tell your wife that
So
you
I said
wanted
to
it?
her, I said, now listen, I sat down, I said, I want to get myself a new RC car, yeah? And she looked at me and she shook her head, and then she walked off. Now, I don't know about you, but I think that means that I can definitely have one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save up and I'm going to get one because I don't want to take it out of Popalong because really that's
It's race fees.
It's
fund,
race fees. It's race. We go somewhere. It's race fees. Diesel for the motor and all that sort of stuff. Yeah.
Yeah. Unfortunately, boss,
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on with the algorithms at the moment, but the channel isn't bringing in enough money to pay for race fees at the moment.
No, it don't do that, does it?
And yeah, it's literally running at a loss at the moment. The poor old channel is, but
It's very sad.
you spend quite a lot of time with me, and I spend quite a lot of time with you.
We're like brothers.
So
yeah.
I got you a birthday present, boss.
Got me a birthday present. What is it? Is it something
Down
good?
here.
Birthday present.
It's
I'm
a
thinking, what would you have got me for my birthday?
Well, I know
on,
how
go
much you like
Yeah.
RC cars.
I do like RC cars. It's one of
So,
my.
I got you one of these.
I
boss.
enjoy my RC cars more. You got your old pal Mark your present.
That
You bought me this.
is for your 50th, boss.
How about that? Put it there. You, sir. Thanks. You are a good lad. You knew exactly what I wanted. I don't know what to say. So this is not just a box. This is actually the car in here and everything.
I haven't even opened it.
The real Schumacher one.
Shall we move these two
Move these
buggies?
two. Move these two.
Moving forward. Let's see what you got in your box then.
It is actually in here. You know what we should do, don't you? We should celebrate. So I'll tell you how we're going to
How are we
celebrate.
going to celebrate?
The only way we know how to celebrate.
All my days.
What are you getting? What are you getting? There's a little bit of plimsoll in there. School plimsoll
There is.
from the 1970s.
Can you remember? when you were a kid, right?
Go on.
And you used to get on the school bus or just on
yeah.
a public bus, right?
Any bus.
And
Any bus.
back then, right, the technology was so advanced, you could have a smoking area at the back of the bus and a no smoking area at the front of the bus.
I remember that.
Obviously, there was no, like, the smoke just stayed up the back, didn't it? It was like, it's just the way things happened. Did you ever get a window seat?
I did.
Yeah. Did you ever pick the black stuff out of the window?
I used to do that.
And then
Sniff your finger. Smell your finger.
It smells like the black rubber you get inside the windows on the bus.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah. Maybe stained
How
with a
about
bit
that?
of tobacco
Yeah.
and teenage BO. That's what I'm getting. But this is a front tyre and that's a rear tyre. So what are you getting?
Yeah. I'm definitely getting more. I'm getting a smell of grip.
Grip.
Front end grip. I'm getting on that one.
Do you know what you need?
What do I need?
Some super glue. I'll sort that out for you.
Anyway, that's enough tyre sniffing. Oh, I do feel like I've got a bit of a hit off that. I've wanted one of these for a long time, and now I've got one.
You've got one.
Do you know what I'm going to do with this?
Stick it on a shelf and maybe spend 7 months to build it.
No.
Take it on holiday with you.
I am no, I'm not going to take it on a holiday. I am going to spend more money. Now, you know that geezer from Schumacher? What's his name now? The one that goes fishing sometimes.
Oh, the one who caught the Carp 2000s.
Yeah, the one who caught the Carp 2000, yeah. I saw one of his videos. He is blogged on his video, on his Facebook, whatever.
I mean it with the utmost respect, but he's a bit of a bender, isn't he?
A bender in what respect?
He
bends
the rules of vintage.
I looked on his Facebook and he has kindly, because people have been saying, I want to put big bores on the car and everything, yeah? He's done a nice video on, or a post, should I say, on what to get and all that sort of stuff. So I am going to go big bores with this. I'm going to go LD3 big bores with this. I'm going to go that new slipper thing they got, the fab thing, and that. I'm going to get every available hop-up is going on this car.
But I bought you a vintage car.
Yeah, I know, but I want to do well, so I'm going to put stuff on it.
They're not going to let you back to that Hemel Club if you go with that attitude. Just take your car, like your brother, run it as it is, smile on your face.
I just can't do that.
I know you can't. You're broken, boss. You're actually broken.
It would make for, let me put it out there, wouldn't it make for a good video? I could do a build video, but everyone knows that, don't they? If I just put all the available hop-ups on this, yeah, then you guys, I can show you what to put on. Come on. But I want it to, listen, man, you just let me do what I want to do.
It's your 50th. It's my gift to you.
Yep.
Do what you like. But
no, I'm looking forward to that. That's very, very kind of you. Very, very kind of you. So thanks very much. All right. Well, look, I will enjoy building this. And I'll make a video of it, and then I'll hit the track with it. But I won't rush it. I will. It has to be in its box.
Is this gonna be your car for next year?
Yeah.
Your revival. Your Popalong rave.
Yeah, it's going to be this car here. I absolutely loved racing the Cougar Classic because it's a car that I ran when I was a kid. And again, that has got a lot of hop-ups on it, but I just enjoy it. I just enjoy running that car. So
yeah, we started off with that whole box stock series, didn't we? Which you one outing we managed before you started upgrading your cars.
Yeah.
So sorry guys, we won't be doing a me versus Mark competition because you don't keep the playing field level.
Just can't do it.
You can't do it.
Just can't do it. I'm there. I know there's some people out there going, I understand that, yeah. But that's where we, variety, yeah.
The hobby has lots of avenues you can go down. You could be a purist, box stock as it is. You could be a shelf queen collector. You could be a rubbish racer. No, you could be a racer.
Yeah.
And just do it for fun.
Yeah.
and you could be someone that wants
listen.
to eke out every last millisecond of performance and take the fun out of the hobby. So yeah, you crack on, boss. Anyway, we're waffling now. Like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell. If you want to see what he does with his Cat 2000, join this old man in the future.